In this video, we will show you osCommerce version 4.x installation via Let Me Install Myself option for multiple sales channels. If you do not have the osCommerce 4.x version yet, watch this video how to install it on the osCommerce server via Let Me Install Myself option, as well as watch the videos how to install it on your own server and via Install osCommerce for Me option. Regarding installing osCommerce 4.x version on the osCommerce server, please note that for the evaluation purposes, the trial period is unlimited at the moment, but will be limited to 30 days by the end of 2023 or at the beginning of 2024. After this policy is implemented and your 30 days trial period is over, you will have a choose to sign up for the osCommerce hosting service at a very reasonable price or migrate your website to another hosting provider. To start this installation process, navigate to Website and click on Try with osCommerce Host button. Either log into your osCommerce account or create one by clicking on the corresponding options. Fill in the required fields and click on Check Subdomain Availability button. Click on Let Me Install Myself option and click on Submit Request button. The success page will show up and ask you to wait for the email regarding your request, so let us wait for this email. In this welcome email, you will find FTP and database access as well as the link to continue installation. This is the welcome email with FTP access, database access, and continue installation link, so let us click on this link. At the first step, license agreement, click on Accept and Start Installation button. At the second step, pre-installation check, click on Proceed button. At the third step, database access, fill in the required fields from database access and click on Install Database button. At the fourth step, settings, fill in the required fields and click on Update Database button. At this step, you can also choose either multiple sales channels or a single one from the drop-down list. Multiple option is chosen by default. At the fifth step, fill in the required fields and click on Create Access button. After that, the corresponding email will be sent to the specified email address with the link to the administrator area as well as with the login details to it. You can click on to visit admin area, click here, link and complete installation button. If you click on Complete Installation button, you can find the osCommerce splash page with further information, so let us click on Complete Installation and we can see the osCommerce splash page. If you click on Admin option, you can log into the administrator area of your website. Let us log into it. Click on Dashboard tab. You can see the warning asking you to remove the installation directory for security reasons. With FTP access, you get set up the connection to the server via the FTP client you usually use and remove the installation directory. Refresh the page to make sure the warning does not show up any longer. Click on Sales Channels tab to make sure that all 4 sales channels have been installed. Let us click on Design and CMS and Themes tab. And here we can also see that all 4 corresponding themes have been installed as well. You can start configuring your website further. See the links to the videos below demonstrating the osCommerce version 4.x installation on your own server and install osCommerce for Me option.